In this video, we will see a quick demo of creating a 4-zone custom layout for a 1080p Full HD screen. The required zonal arrangement looks like this. We have already seen a detailed demo of creating custom layouts in previous video. Before going through this video, please have a look at the demo in which each feature and choice is explained in detail. Link to the video is given in the description below. This demo is more about exploring the display possibilities with PySignage. First, let us calculate the dimension of each zone in our 4-zone custom layout. We need the screen to be divided into 4 equal parts. With some basic arithmetic, we know that we need 4 zones with each of dimension 960 into 540 pixels. Now, let us start creating a custom layout with these dimensions. We will not explain every step in detail here as we already have a video for that. In the template designer, we will create a new layout template. Let the name be 4-zone custom layout. Choose the resolution 1920 x 1080 landscape. We don't need background image as the layout occupies full screen. Skip it. The first zone we create will be main zone. In the main zone, enter the width as 960 and height as 540 as we have already calculated. Now, before entering the position, we have to know the starting position values of each zone in our design. On screen, you can see the zonal arrangements and the origin of each zone in terms of x and y values. Take a minute and make sure that you are clear with how we arrive at this x and y positions. So the first zone we are creating, that is the main zone, should be aligned to the top left of the screen. Hence the value will be 0 and 0 for both x and y positions. You can see on screen that your main zone positioning looks alright. Next, enter the dimensions for side zone. Please note that the default name of the zones, side zone and bottom zone, are more of a placeholder. They do not limit in any way where you can position your zones. And by adding a meaningful alias, you can avoid any confusion regarding the identity and position of zones while creating a playlist using this custom layout. As seen on screen, for each zone, dimensions are 960 in width and 540 in height. Enter them. Now the zone positioning. While placing the zones, first let us finish the top row or top zones. We need this zone to be at the immediate right of the main zone created earlier. Hence, as you can see on screen, the x position will be 960 and the y position will be 0. Enter the x and y positions. Ensure that zone positioning is correct. Next is the bottom zone. Enter the same dimensions. Now the positions. We want this zone to be immediately below the main zone, aligned to the bottom left of the screen. The x position is 0 and the y position is 540 as shown on screen. Enter the x and y position values. Ensure that the positioning is correct. Next, we need one more zone. For that, select zone 4. Again, enter the dimensions. We need this zone to be aligned to the bottom right of the screen. As seen on screen, the x position will be 960 and the y position will be 540. Enter the x position and y position values. You can see that all the 4 zones are correctly placed. For this display, we will exclude tickers. Also, we will ignore the additional CSS. Earlier, we forgot to enter aliases. Let us give some meaningful aliases that will help us recognize zones during playlist creation. We will not give any alias for the main zone. For side zone, we will enter the alias as top right based on its placement in the screen. Similarly, alias for bottom zone will be bottom left and alias for zone 4 will be bottom right. Save the template. You can see the newly created layout template in the template designer section. Go inside a playlist or create a new playlist. Click on layouts and scroll down. Under custom layouts in landscape mode, our newly created layout template is present. Now you can create a 4-zone display using this layout. We already know how to create playlists. I will choose an asset randomly for a playlist in this layout. You can see how the aliases we gave help us in recognizing the zones for adding assets. On screen, you can see a sample 4-zone display with the restaurant digital signage use case created using the 4-zone custom layout we just built. For any further help or query, reach us at info@pysignage.com.